It's your girl Brinks. It is Sunday, and it is gonna be simple Sunday today, y'all. So I'm not cooking anything. It is gonna be a scorcher. It's hot, y'all. It's hot outside. So today TK wants pork chops. They are going on top of the stove. I'm gonna be doing his honey garlic pork chops on top of the stove. I'm not doing anything hot, y'all. I'm doing some simple, classic sandwiches. Yep. Simple, classic sandwiches, y'all. But yeah, we're gonna be doing some good old sandwiches. And I'm gonna show y'all me making a sandwich, but I mean, other than that, no real legit cooking video today, y'all. Juneteenth is like Wednesday. Y'all will get a cooking video on Wednesday from what I can record. Cause y'all know when mom is here, she'll be like, why is y'all, could you like not record? You not record, this is family time. So y'all know mom do not be on that vlogging, y'all, but I be trying to keep her out of the vlogging, y'all. But yeah, she do not be down with the vlogging. She do not want to be in the camera, but I try to vlog when I can. But yeah, y'all, I'm making me some classic like little sub sandwiches. And I know last week we did we do a non-keto thing last week too? We did manwich sandwiches last week on non-keto bread. So I mean, I have this bread for like subs, but I also have my my live carb. Let me show y'all. I have my smart carb, my carb smart Aunt Millie's keto bread. So I might just make, to be honest, it kind of offset my lack of non-keto from last week. But yeah, today we are going to be doing him some pork chops. So I am going to show you guys that much at least to kind of get some type of cooking in this vlog. Well, this cooking vlog, y'all know what I meant. Y'all know exactly what I meant. How is that popping open? There we go. And I'm almost out. I use this so much, y'all, because he wanted on every time I cooked. Like, I specifically went in there and asked him, I said, baby, do you want honey garlic pork chops or do you want just like regular seasoned pork chops? He said honey garlic. He just had honey garlic chicken last weekend. But yeah, honey garlic pork chops. So honey garlic seasoning. But we're gonna start off with our honey garlic seasoning, y'all. In a pot. I mean in our virgin olive oil, of course. Slap your mama. And roasted garlic and herb. Onion powder. Garlic salt. Good old Chicago steak and chop. Now, had he not said he wanted to do honey garlic, this would have been my main seasoning for this. But since he does, I use a lighter amount of this. Plain old black pepper. And I think that's pretty much all I'm going to use to season this. All right, y'all. Once you are done, you should have some nice patted and dried pork chops already with this. To put in your seasoning looking like this. To throw on your hot skillet looking like that. All right, y'all. Now let's go ahead and throw it in. Okay, y'all, so I just sped up this part right here because I am just taking the pork chops one by one and then dumping it into my virgin olive oil mixture and seasoning. I did have to add more olive oil and more seasoning once it's kind of got low, and mix it together again, and then repeat those steps. So I did speed it up a little bit, but I wanted you guys to see it step by step. So it's a little sped up version. All right, y'all. These are his pork chops. Well, the ones that are still kind of left. So the two. That's the last one cooking. These are the two on this tray. He's been taking bites, y'all. He's been literally taking bites. So I'm gonna go ahead and give him his tray, y'all. I got some strawberries, some Cool Ranch Doritos, some cheese, some grapes. That is his dinner. And I'll be back to get started on my sandwiches. So I'll be right back, y'all. All right, y'all, getting into my sandwiches. So,
seriously, mommy.
Real simple, real quick. I got some good old Hellmann's, and I did wind up using like the sub bread, y'all, because I only really want to make one sandwich. Like, I don't want to use multiples. So, like, I really wish I had the squeezable mayo, but we don't. Like, I don't like the spreadable mayo because to me, I feel like it makes it look more on the sloppier side, and I can try to make this look like as neat as possible, but in reality, like, I just don't think that I don't know. I really don't think that I can make this look as neat as I want to. So anyways, you guys, while I was kind of away, I did like go ahead and cut up my my lettuce, my tomato, my onion off camera, and I'm just going to put everything together in like one get to go in front of y'all. I like a lot of mayo, and I do use Hellmann's, you guys. This is, oh darn it, this is not light mayo, so your girl is gonna need to compensate for using some regular mayonnaise. It's not a good idea, by the way. Anyways, so regular mayo. I usually use regular mustard, but I had some Dijon in the refrigerator, which I totally forgot about. So we're gonna use some Dijon. Got some good old lettuce. I like to rinse my lettuce off. Fresh lettuce. I got this looking like a whole salad, y'all, a whole salad. And I do got some left over. And by the way, y'all, I am using like romaine lettuce. So if it looks like actually like really perfect, that's why. I did cut up some purple onion. I don't know why, y'all. I just thought about being like really extra with this sandwich, because usually I would just use some meat and cheese. And whatever type of like sauce or like seasoning I was gonna use on it, as far as mayo or mustard, and call it a day. Sometimes I will use like lettuce, tomatoes. Sometimes, a lot of times I don't though, y'all, because like I feel like that's a lot of work. But y'all, today I'm really dressing it up for y'all. I'm really dressing it up for y'all. Some tomato. Like I said, y'all, I have everything cut up, and I cut my tomatoes like really thin. I don't want no super juiced tomatoes. And then as far as meats and cheeses, I like pepper jack cheese, y'all. My hands are like really wet from dealing with all of this stuff. What I like about using this cheese, y'all, is it comes with these paper separators, which makes it like really easy if you got long nails like your girl. Really easy separators. And I did get this from Sam's, but not all Sam's cheese, y'all, come with these separators. So, like, shout out to Sam's for helping a girl out, helping your sister out, because the struggle be real sometimes with these nails, y'all. And I'm making no intent to get these nails cut down anytime soon. So, here's your pound. Thank you, Sam's, for the big pack of cheese with the paper separators. Cajun turkey. Like tons of meat, y'all. So it's literally gonna be like a piece and a half of each. That's enough. Piece and a half of each. Cause I don't know, for some reason, like when a sandwich is like really meaty, it gives like that thick texture, and I cannot stand it for some reason. I don't know why, y'all, but for some reason I cannot stand it. It just throws me off, and it can be like really disgusting sometimes to me. So I'm just like, I can't do it. I can't do it. So yeah, I can't do it, y'all. And then I do have some white American cheese as well. Oh darn, I just broke the zipper. Y'all, at this point, my sandwich is losing its appeal. It's losing its appeal, y'all. It's not looking appealing anymore. We got some roast beef. Take a slab and a half. Okay. And last but not least, I'm just gonna put on 1 slab of ham. And this is actually honey ham. So I'm going to take this piece, I'm going to split it straight down the middle, half and half. Perfect. All the way across, y'all. And the sandwich is huge. You're gonna press down. Usually, should have kept my knife back. My cheese is breaking.
Bruh.
Pepper jack cheese is all types of broke. Sandwich has definitely lost its appeal, but it is what it is, y'all. Right on the side with some pickles. Oh. These are going to be that is my sandwich, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Till next time, see ya.